What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review anything that a consumer could buy. So today we're going to be looking at this wire mechanical keyboard from Pictic. I guess that's how you say it. Came in the simple box. Let's unbox it, review it, do all the good stuff. Stay tuned. Alright, so I decided I needed a new keyboard. I got tired of my old keyboard. So I wanted to get a mechanical keyboard, never had one. And I didn't want to spend 80, 90, 100 bucks. So I did what I had to do. I looked for the best budget with good reviews. I'm going to leave links down below for this product. I paid, if I'm not mistaken, it was like $31, $32. Dope. It's RGB. It has all the good, cool things. Let's look around the box. Alright, so here's what it has. It says nothing good, like nothing important. So let's open it up and let's see what we get inside. Okay, so we get the keyboard itself. Yes, it is wire. Cap removal. I'm gonna do a separate video on the cap removal. Little instruction, little booklet. I'm gonna need that to change all the colors. Let's take this out of here. All right, so it's 87 keys. Oh, it feels way better than my old one, but let's look at it real quick. Nice and small compared to my old one. Let's set it up and let's see how it looks. Plug it into my PC and let's see how it looks. Alright, so they have different functions, which is pretty cool. So if you hit function right here, different colors, I'm sorry. If you hit function right here and hit number 1 over here, it dims one side, which I like. It's cool. Hit 2, what you get is, and I'm telling you, for $30, I want to know how long it's gonna last, but my expectation is not all the way high, but it is what it is. So see, it's pretty dope. You get one of these. You get the wave, which looks awesome. 4. Not bad. So with 6, you turn it off. It also has special keys, like if you hit 1, it turns all of them off. Let me see, is it 3? I know it's one of them. There you go, 5. You got this one side. I don't know what kind of special keys this is, but it is what it is. Then you get the gamer one. So there's only these 4 numbers right here. Let's see, 7. Nope. If I'm not mistaken, that was 8. Yep, that was 8. 8, you get only all the letters on, which is pretty nice. Do I get anything else? Oh, hold on, I'm hitting the wrong button. Okay. So let's just turn everything on, which is pretty dope. Okay, so if it's bright, if it's too bright, you hit function, and it's gonna tell you on those two the cap and the window that you on your max. You can lower it. That's your max. Put it up. So when it comes to this keyboard, I gotta wait and see how long it lasts. But if it gives me more than 2 years, I'm happy. $30. I'll be honest, 6 months still works how it's supposed to work. I can't complain about it. I think it's a definitely buy. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all make you want to buy a mechanical keyboard. I don't need it for typing. I just want aesthetic. It looks dope. Also, it's shorter, so I got more space compared to my older one, my Cooler Master. It was just too big. The letters I couldn't see. Like it was, the lights was. This is way better. This is just way better. So I'm gonna leave links down below. I hope you like this video. If you do, smash a like button down below. Subscribe, all them good stuff. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.
Uh.